How do front wheel spacers work on your Explorer? Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Ford Explorer wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Explorer wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the feathers, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-built appearance. Using Ford Explorer wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. You have assembly all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Ford Explorer wheel spacer, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Explorer wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications, designed by professional mechanical engineers. These are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and run through the more than 66 SGS and TU test records. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. The BONOSS Ford Explorer wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impacts. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Explorer wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS Forged active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation boosts to make brake cooling better. Distribute and pedal shape. These boosts allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Forged active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.